Good evening, one and all. This is Dr. G. Maheshwaran. I started my career. Uh, that is my UG. I started in Annamalai University. That is BE Civil Engineering. And after that, I did my PG. Now we call it as NIT Trichy. I did my ME Structural Engineering. And I did my PhD, doctoral studies in PhD Tech in groundwater area. After doing all these things, I thought something is missing in my life. And 15 years before, I was searching for the truth. Then I thought something is missing in my education. I thought it is spiritual. Spiritual, first I thought it is about God. Then only I came to know that it is about the truth, what is happening in this world. That is, education cannot be there without spirituality. Normally, people used to think spirituality, it is going to temple and praying to God. But to my knowledge, I may be right, I may be wrong. To my knowledge, spirituality is nothing but accepting the truth and knowing the truth and how it is happening. When you know all these things, yes, you are really a spiritual person. And when you have love and affection towards each and everybody, as you are also a God. So this is where I am working for the last 15 years. And I am nowhere into civil engineering for the past 15 years. For the past 15 years, I am moving more towards what is truth. And now I came to know that truth provides everywhere. Truth is seen everywhere. The only thing is the acceptance. The people's acceptance is very, very important. This is where we have to be. And I'm working as a principal in an engineering college. It is VSA Group of Institutions, Salem. And for the past 6 years, I'm as an executive council member in Indian Society for Technical Education, New Delhi. This is a very small introduction about me.
It's really great, sir. You started with a really great point, actually. Acceptance and spirituality. I mean, it's really great to start. It's a really good starter, sir. And I think more people have joined, sir, so that we can go for the main session. And
Yes, sir.
I have a small suggestion or a question before this session. So when we talk about this acceptance and getting this attraction to what we exactly need. So you said you have been doing this for the past 15 years, and what was the reason, and what made you to get into this spiritual environment or the idea of seeking something what's true or acceptance? What made you, sir? What the attraction points, sir?
The thing is, when I used to pray to Lord Shiva, I had a fear whether Lord Lakshmi will be getting angry on me because I'm not praying towards Lord Lakshmi. And the fear towards God made me to search because there are many gods. In Hinduism, we can see many gods. First, I had a fear. Then I came to know, I was searching, I am going into Christianity, I am going into Islamic, everywhere. I was searching what is God. And finally, I came to know that God is nothing but a love and affection. Only the fear made me to run everywhere. And I used to think, what is the difference between a person who is having more money and a person who is not having any money? And the difference between a person who is a man of ideology and a man who is not having any ideas, and a person who is very much learned and a person who is not having any knowledge about studies. These are all the differences. Why these differences came? And because God created me, everybody. What is the difference? Where the difference created? All these things, all these questions made me to rush towards knowing truth. And this week, normally people call it as spirituality. Nothing but moving towards truth. This is where I turned. This turned my life. This turned my life to a different dimension. And this turned my life to be happy in each and every moment. And for the past 6 to 7 years, I cannot see even a single moment that I'm unhappy. And each and every moment, I'm happy. Now I am happy. Yesterday I was happy, and tomorrow I'll be happy. So this is the thing that spirituality gave to me.
That's really great, sir. I mean, it's kind of really wonderful listening to all these things. And yeah, sir. I mean, to go on with the main presentation.
Yes, sir.
So you can start with your own style and own idea, and feel free to uh, stop then and there. And if you want to raise any questions, please go ahead. And we are all willing to answer, and we are all willing to learn, sir. So it's like it's time for the main presentation, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. First of all, my wholehearted thanks to Supreme God and all the members of ULX and Anand sir and Sadiq sir, Valli madam and Sudarshan sir. And because of all these people, I am in front of you all. First of all, thank you so much, ULH people, for giving me an opportunity to present in front of this ELEC forum. And today's topic is how to convert knowledge to money or knowledge to currency. And first we will, and then we will go more with an interactive session, more of presenting on from one side, and we can have an interaction. That is, I think that will be more lively.
Yeah, sir.
Is it okay for you, Mr. Sudarshan?
Yeah, sir. I'm really happy to interact with you, sir, and everyone will be, sir. So go ahead, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And first of all, we'll see what is knowledge. Knowledge is nothing but learning about very new things. Where this knowledge started, the gaining the knowledge, it started right from our birth. When we came into this world, right from that moment, we started gaining our knowledge. And each and every moment, we gain knowledge. See, today also, in front of this forum, Sudarshan gave me some ideas. Yes, again, I am learning. Where it will end, the last breath of our life. This is where we will stop our knowledge. And this knowledge, people use this to convert as money or they convert as currency. How to change this? Because many people, they are having good knowledge, but they are not able to make it as money. And there is one song in Tamil, வெற்றி பெற்ற மனிதரெல்லாம் புத்திசாலி இல்லை புத்தியுள்ள மனிதரெல்லாம் வெற்றி காண்பதில்லை. But the thing is, when we know the process, how to convert knowledge into money, yes, we can succeed. The only thing is, the patience is very, very important. And we have to understand what is our strength. Each and every person in this world is unique. Each and every person in this world is stronger than others in one area. Only thing is, we have to identify in which area we are strong. For that, we have to be silent. See, you would have seen in a sea, at the periphery of the sea, there will be many waves. We cannot have any precious pearls there. The precious pearls will be there only in the deep sea where there is silence. So, at least for a few minutes every day, be in silence and see in which area you are stronger. One technique to know where you are stronger, the thing is, you will be doing one thing. That area, you will feel very happy. The area in which you are happy is you are stronger. You are having passion in that area. That area, you have to work, you have to work, you have to work. Yes, you can become an expert. The only thing is, you should not be jack of all trades. You have to become king of one trade. See, when you use your knowledge to hundreds of people, yes, you can earn money in thousands. When you use your knowledge to thousands of people, yes, you can earn money in lakhs. When you use your knowledge to lakhs of people, you can earn money in crores. The only thing is, you have to see where you can use your knowledge and how you can use your knowledge. For example, if you know how to cook well for a small family, yes, you can earn in a few hundreds. When you are able to cook food for a larger group, for example, hundreds of people, you can earn in thousands. When you cook the same food for thousands of people, yes, you can earn money in crores. The only thing is, you have to see where you, again, I will tell you, the knowledge, where you have to use it. The most important thing is, it is the difference between the demand and supply. What the knowledge you have, and is there any demand for that one? And if there is no demand for that one, is there any possibility of shifting your area? If you are able to shift your area, ideally think where you can shift and what is the demand for that. See, I know one of my friends, what he does is, for every 6 months, he used to travel to foreign countries. He used to get trained in latest technology in softwares. He get trained in foreign countries. He comes to India and he works for 2 days, only for 2 days. And he gives training for all the MNC companies where there is a need. For the next 5 days, he'll be idle. He'll be doing service to the humanity. See, this is where he used to get knowledge from other countries. He used to get it first, then he comes to India and he starts doing the training program for MNC companies. See, this is a new thing where I have not seen anywhere. There are few people like this. They'll be searching for knowledge. They'll be gaining the knowledge and they used to deliver that one where there is a demand. Again, I will tell you, see where there is a demand. If there is no demand for your knowledge, as of now, sit and see whether you can shift it or not. For example, nowadays, a person who knows physics, if he is able to teach for students until 5th standard, he can earn in thousands. The same physics, if he is able to teach for students until +2, yes, he can earn in few more thousands. And the same physics, if he is able to teach for students who are in need of NEET coaching, he will earn in lakhs and lakhs. Now, what we have to do is, only thing is, yes, you gain the knowledge and see where there is a demand and you use the proper techniques. When you use proper techniques with your knowledge, yes, you can do wonders. I can give you one example for this one. The people who are in this forum, yes, we know how to play cricket. But people who do in IPL, they are earning in crores and crores. The only difference between we both of us is, yes, we too have a knowledge in cricket, they too have a knowledge in cricket. But they did in one area, they had strong practice, regular practice, and they used proper techniques. When you use in one area where you are stronger with techniques and with practice, yes, you can do wonders.
Sir, I have a question here.
Please, sir.
Sir, this is Vinod Gansala this side. Just
Yes, sir.
wanted to know.
Happy day.
Yeah. So just wanted to know whether cricket is a game or it's a science. I was very surprised and good to know that you have in your this thing sign. You said that cricket addict. So just wanted to know. I mean, just to learn more. I mean,
Yes, sir.
cricket is a science or is a game only?
Sir, moreover, we can see it is a knowledge. It is more than a science, it is a knowledge. Because how to use the bat, it is a knowledge. How to use the bat in front of a ball, again, it is a knowledge. How to use the bat in front of a spinner, again, it is a knowledge. And whatever you learn a new thing, I think we can call it as a knowledge. More than a science, we can call it as a knowledge. So, Vinod, sir?
Yes, that's a wonderful, sir, the reply from your side. Because I personally feel, because a lot of people say a lot of things about modern days cricket, the things which is happening, you know that. But I'm a sport. I mean, cricket is something is like, I'm a follower of the cricket and feel that so more than a science and more than a knowledge also, because the way you changes yourself, the more than you changes
sir.
the pitch and the more than you changes the bat and more than things you adopt and adapt with the passage of time,
Yes.
with the passage of situations. So thank
Yes,
you
sir.
very much in enlightening the things and all that about the situation to situation, which is happening every now and then. 1 minute
Yes.
something else, another minute something else. So
Yes, sir.
good that you said that knowledge, but sir, but still I'm confused that if it is a knowledge, then somebody is good in test, somebody is good in T20, somebody is good in T20, somebody is good in T10, somebody is good in death over, somebody is good in opening, and somebody is good in. Otherwise, I mean, if
Yes.
it is a knowledge, then why some people are successful in a death over like Rabada? Somebody is good in middle overs like Rashid Khan from Afghanistan, where the cricket is something I don't know. And
Yes, sir.
somebody is good at somebody good in eye contact like Rohit Sharma, who's
Yes,
having
sir.
a lot of time to smash the ball out of the ground.
Yes, sir. The
So
thing is, sir,
if it is a
beautiful.
knowledge, then if it
Yes,
is a
sir.
knowledge, then a lot of people is having a knowledge that how to open. Somebody's having a
Yes,
lot
sir.
of knowledge how to ball in a death overs.
Yes, sir.
That's where I'm somewhere stuck up. If you can
Yes, sir.
enlighten
That's
me
a
when time.
yes, sir. Beautiful question. And the thing is, more than knowledge, again, you have to use proper techniques and practice. When you use proper techniques, for example, when you have knowledge about the pitch, when you have a knowledge about a spinner, and if you have a proper technique and you use the technique with the proper practice, how to handle the ball, yes, you can succeed. At the same time, you have to be in the pitch in a cool and calm way. Patience is very, very important. You have to understand the pitch. You have to understand. You have to have knowledge about the pitch. You have to have knowledge about the bowler, and you have to know the knowledge about how much score you have to do within that
Still,
over or within, yes.
still, sir, very nice. But still, I'm really sorry, and I'm really sorry to across panel. But
Please.
how come it is possible that the one guy is making a century and still having
Yes,
a
sir.
164 scores? Last match, you might have seen that 164
Yes,
scores.
sir.
They lose the game. You
Yes, sir.
have seen that the last game,
Yes, sir. We
and
can
that
have. Please, sir.
so,
A beautiful question. The thing is, we can have a small comparison. In a small classroom, there will be 60 students. The
Yes.
same teacher will be there. The same atmosphere will be there, and same syllabus will be there.
Yeah.
But finally, after the examination, a person would have scored 0 and a person would have scored 100. Everything is same. But the thing is, how much a student would have understood the topic and how much time he has taken for understanding the concept and how much time he have taken to practice that one. It reflects in the examination of the 3 hours. It changes as marks. I think we would have a one interview with Dhoni after the first match. He told that I did not have much practice for the 6 months, so that I am not able to fare well. I think it was the answer by Dhoni after the first match. So this is where people are lagging. That is proper practice, proper touch, and proper techniques. So when you use proper techniques, I think when we talk about technique and cricket, we can have Azharuddin's chapati shot or the Dhoni's helicopter shot. These are all the techniques that made people to be in Indian team. And when they use the Dhoni will be using one word: process. See, everything we have to undergo a process. A coal, when it has to change its diamond, again it has to go and undergo a process. For that, the patience is very, very important. Again, when in cricket we would have seen whatever the audience are shouting, the 13 players in the ground, more or less at least 11, they will be calm. When we are calm, when we have proper practice and technique, even you told about Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan, he is from Afghanistan. I think he is one of the best bowler as of now in the world as a leg spinner. So he is using the knowledge, the technique and practice. Now he is shining well. I think Vinod sir, I'm able to answer your question.
No, this is wonderful, sir. This is wonderful. But this is coming back to the business. It is a correlate. I'm correlating these things to the business now. The biggest tycoon and giant of Indian industry is Ambani. Now, two
Yes, sir.
brothers. One brother is reaching the sky. The another brother is nowhere. He said that he is only 40,000 rupees or 40 lakh rupees to sustain himself. How
Yes.
this difference, sir?
Sir,
If it is a
beautiful
knowledge,
question.
if it is a practice, if it is a everything, if it is everything intact, if
Yes, sir.
legacy is there, everything is there, because we are the business people and knowledge and something like comes in a foray. I mean, that's what sometimes it makes a difference, sir, because the another brother is reaching the sky high. The another brother is
Yes, sir.
going down. Like he said that he's no, sir. So that's the another thing which I was just correlating that how the circumstances changes.
Yes, sir. It is a beautiful one. And the raw material, what we use for our life, it is our human body, sir. We should have a proper knowledge about our human body. At the same time, we should have a proper knowledge about the natural laws. The natural law says that what you give in one way will come to you in many ways and multiple times. When you sow a seed for an apple, again, you will be getting hundreds and hundreds of apples. But when you sow a seed for apple, we cannot expect an orange there. So when you go in depth into their personal life, we don't know their personal life. When they are against the natural law, again, it reflects in their business, in their health, in their wealth. So everything is interrelated. The persons, again, the 13 of us in this forum, again, we are connected. We are all children of God. Many people think that we are not connected with each other, but we are all connected with each other. And whatever one person do, it reflects to another person. And moreover, when we talk about Ambani, that is Anil Ambani and Mukesh Ambani, as you said rightly, one is gaining a lot and one is losing a lot. This may be because of their personal life. When you are disciplined in your personal life, surely it will reflect in your business, all in your wealth, health, and happiness. We should not deny any natural law, because natural law does not do anything wrong. It is 100% perfect. That whatever you sow in one way, you will be getting in many ways multiple times. This would have reflected in their life. We don't know in depth about both of them, sir.
So what you
Perfectly
said
all
is
right.
exactly true, sir.
Very true, very true, very true. So it means all comes to a discipline.
Yes, sir. It all, for example, if we know how to drive a car, the thing is, we know about our human body, but we should know the rules and regulations of the country where you are driving the car. That is like you have to understand the natural laws. If you know how to drive a car and if you don't know how, where the country you are driving, the rules of the country, again, it will end in a fatigue situation. So both the things we have to understand. The only thing is we have to understand about our human body. There are two types of body. One is the physical body and another is the mental body. In the physical body, if you want to make a change, it will take time. But in the mental body, when you want to make a change, within fraction of seconds, you can make the change. Will reflect in our physical body. When you understand both the laws of the human body and the laws of the nature, winning in business, it is very, very easy, sir. The only thing is we have to wait for the process to happen and we have to be patient. I think there is one thing we call it as Chinese bamboo. We have to feed it, I think, for more than 6 years. And after 6 years, there will not be much growth, but next 6 months, it will grow until 90 feet. The only thing is we have to be patient. What we do nowadays is we drill a bore in one place for 10 feet. If we are not getting water, that is the result. Next, we drill the bore in the next place. Next. So we used to drill in 30 places, but we are not able to succeed. But if the total 30 feet bore, so 300 feet bore, if you would have done in one place, you would have got the water. The only thing is the patience is very, very important. And we have to see our process, whether it is correct, where we are going the right path. When you know these two things, and if your path is right, surely we can succeed. The only thing is we need some patience. This is what we have to do, sir. So, Vinod, sir?
Yeah. Perfectly all right, sir. Perfectly all right. Many thanks, sir, describing the wonderfully. And yes, you are absolutely right. Whatever you said, this is very nicely you narrated the thing, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any more questions from the audience side? Anything we have to address until now? Is there any question, sir?
So until now,
Sudarshan,
we
sir?
are no, sir. I think we are very clear about whatever you were telling, sir. Personal awareness and professional awareness. So I think it's been an enlightening journey as of now. So please go ahead and continue.
Yes, sir. The thing is, we were talking about, as Vinod sir rightly asked one thing, and we were discussing about knowledge, techniques, and practice. Yes, we have the knowledge, sir. The thing is, where we are missing is we have to know the proper technique. See, we all know how to drive a car, but a person who knows how to drive a car perfectly will become a racer and he can earn a lot. So many people know how to do programming in Python, but a person who knows the proper technique and proper practice, he earns a lot. So whatever knowledge we are having, sir, so we have to see what techniques we have to use and how much practice we have to take. This is very, very important. When you do these two things, yes, making money is not a big deal. Money will come to us. There is no need to chase the money. Nowadays, what we do is, having the knowledge, we start chasing the money. Once you have proper techniques and practice, yes, we do our own job. Once you do the job, if a customer is satisfied, word by mouth is very, very important. That customer, he will refer next person, next person, next person. And at one point of time, money will be chasing us, and your account, it will be completely filled with crores and crores of rupees. So this is where we have to be very, very aware. Whatever we have earned as of now, whatever bank balance, what we are having now, it is the reflection of none other than ourselves. Whatever happens to our in our life, we should not show our or point our finger to any other person. We have to take it on our own responsibility. The thing has happened, it is because of my own thing. We have to see what the mistake we have done. We have to have a analysis. We call it as self-audit. At least every day for at least 10 minutes, if we have a self-audit, where I went properly and where I went wrong. After that, if we have a correction for every day, yes, we can do the best. The only thing is what we have to do is we should not compare with anybody in this world because we are all unique. We have to see whether we are better than yesterday. Whether we are, if we think that we are better than yesterday, we can start moving. The thing is, next one is if you know proper knowledge, if you have proper techniques, and if you have proper practice, then you have to see where you have to launch your product and where you have to share your knowledge. A person, an engineering college professor in India, now is earning a minimum of 20,000 rupees and a maximum of 1.5 lakhs. The same person with the same knowledge, if we go to some other countries, foreign countries, he can earn in lakhs and lakhs. It may be monthly, it may be 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs, or 5 lakhs. It all depends upon his experience, his knowledge, the research papers, X, Y, Z. There are many criteria. So the way we have to land our knowledge is very important. I can quote one example. In for 10 years before, we used to have packets of half a kg and packets of 1 kg grocery packets and paste, toothpaste. It will be of 200 grams or 400 grams, 500 grams. And after that, there was a research, and people came to know that there is an extraordinary rural market in India. After that, what they have done is they made sachet pack of 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Then there was a dramatic increase in business. This is where we have to be very, very aware. What is the potential of the people who are going to buy that, and where we can use our knowledge. When we have these both things, that is landing our knowledge and the time we are going to launch our knowledge, yes, it makes a very big difference. Next thing is we have to use the proper technology to market ourselves. So nowadays, marketing is very, very important. At least first people should be aware of what we know. There are many platforms today. Without paying any single pie, we can market ourselves. Once we start marketing, and if that product is liked by many people, yes, we can do wonders. Is there any doubts or is there any interaction we have to do at this point of time? Sudarshan sir?
Sir, I think we can go ahead with the process, sir, because we still want to know a lot of things out of this, sir. Whenever
Yes,
there is
sir.
a doubt, just try to interact with you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So the marketing, even film of Rajinikanth, it needs marketing. Even the Prime Minister of a country, he needs marketing. A Chief Minister of a country needs marketing.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
Sir, one more question again.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah, what we all talking about is marketing, sales, and how to make money out of it. That's a business. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Because it's all business. So my
Yes, sir.
my question is, sir, we talk about equilibrium. Okay, where in economics
Yes, sir.
we learn that where the equilibrium is come in one place where both come in one line together.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In sales and marketing, which is too hard, we understand there's two heart in business called sales and marketing.
Yes, sir.
How we can I mean, what are the strategies, sir, where we can collaborate with these two hearts, where we can get a optimum and maximum kind of things? That's my questions.
Yes, sir. For example, the first thing is there should be some connectivity. We have to bring some connectivity between
Yes.
our product and the customer, sir. But when we bring this connectivity, for example, nowadays there was one advertisement by Paytm with Amir Khan and one man. I think his name is Ramesh in that advertisement. The first time when that advertisement came, the
That
body
policeman.
language. See, sir, I talked about Paytm, I talked about Amir Khan, but I did not tell anything about that policeman. You told me that he is a policeman. This is where the impact has created, that advertisement has created.
Yeah.
So this is where the body language of that policeman, it does a lot. First time we saw the.
So that is a phone
advertisement-
pay. That is a phone pay. Phone pay.
Sorry. It is phone pay. You are correct. This is where that marketing makes a difference. First, we saw the advertisement because of Amir Khan. Later, I saw, I cannot say that we saw. I saw that advertisement only because of that policeman, his body language. It made me to laugh. And this is first thing, it will create an awareness. And after that, there should be some connectivity between our product and the customer, sir. Once we create that connectivity, that connectivity should be of a proper service, proper time management. For example, if you are going to a hotel and there will be a good chef, all the food will be good. And if we do not deliver it in a proper time, it will make a bad remark about the total hotel, where the person who has invested in crores and crores. So these are all the things that will play a major role. That is the market connectivity, the customer connectivity, the time and the service. To my knowledge, I think it makes a connectivity, sir.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you, sir. And again, when we talk about marketing, and marketing nowadays, it will create an awareness. When myself, I discussed with Vinod sir, and I was telling about American and the policeman, but I wrongly named that instead of phone pay, I told as Paytm. So the attraction, it went towards Amir Khan and the policeman. I left the brand. So we should be very, very aware of the. Thank you, Vinod sir. Thank you so much.
No, it's a mind positioning. It seems the way they have done it. I'm sure for that.
Yes, sir, you are right. So this is where the people who are making.
No, that is where actually, because we have a marketing team here, we have a sales team here. Just wanted to know
Yes, sir.
how we can take a optimum kind of advantage where we both can get along and make things happen for the growth of the organization and money. It's all,
Yes, sir.
as I said, it's all about business and how these two things, which I say that human body does have one heart, business does have two hearts called marketing
Yes,
and sales, and it is all about integrated marketing communication system. Even we have a
Yeah.
Marcom. It's nothing, but it is integrated marketing communication system, which we have been doing nowadays. That's what I just wanted to know, that how we can innovate and how we can explore the more possibilities where we can get along and can take the maximum kind of things. So
Yes,
you have nicely, yes, yeah. Carry on, sir. Carry on. Yes.
No, sir. I can add one thing here. I think we know one product called, it is Fair and Lovely, and they used to tell that within 6 weeks you can become fair.
Correct.
And
Yes.
what happened is, first a person bought that with a curiosity that he has to become white. And once he started applying for 1 week, next week, and third week, within 1 month, he got accustomed to it. And finally, what happened is, without Fair and Lovely, he was not able to go out. A psychological impact it has created in his mind. That is, without Fair and Lovely, he should not go out. And the same time, another product came, it has Fair Ever. The Fair and Lovely product, it was with a female when Farever came to the market, they told this Farever it is for male. And both the people they were doing with the market, I think in crores and crores of rupees. I don't know how many people has turned white using Fair and Lovely and Farever. So this is the scenario where marketing people used to do with customers. So for customers, first they used to believe.
So what do you think, sir? What is the change happen over the period of time? And now in technological
Sir,
aspect, in era, in present scenario, where this is a very severe kind of things and very serious kind of business where marketing and sales is if they are not going, simultaneously in a same page, the organization doesn't survive. You know it very well, sir. Nowadays, I mean, that's a fastest season here in India. You
Yes,
see the newspaper, and half of the
Yes.
paper is full of advertisement, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir. Yes,
hardly
sir.
any news is there. Only the advertisement is there in the newspaper. So that's what we just wanted to learn from. I mean, just for my knowledge only.
Yes,
Just
sir.
wanted to know
Beautiful.
that.
It's a
Yeah.
beautiful question. Can I answer this more than
Please, sir.
technically?
Please, sir.
Can I answer this spiritually?
Please, sir. Please, sir. Please go ahead, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir, before you
Yes, sir.
answer, sir, I just want one more thing to add to the question, sir. So
Yes, sir.
when you're talking about this connectivity and also this attraction, distraction, because we got attracted to the product, to the person who got into the ad, not to the product. That is an attraction distraction problem. And we also spoke about connectivity down here. So
Yes, sir.
also when you answer this question to Vinod sir regarding all this sales and marketing perspective, also enlighten us how to how to just get rid of this attraction distraction problem and how to connect more properly to the audience. And that
Yes,
is
sir.
one thing I want to add to the question, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Before that, Sudarshan, good question. Before that, I
Yes,
just
sir.
wanted to add something here. You know, as we understand that this is the the situations with all the organizations now. See, there's so many good products are available in the country now, in the world now. The only
Yes,
few
sir.
are surviving.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know
Yes,
why
sir.
they are surviving, and the many good product are not been able to go up to break even level. You know,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
that is where we are like. There's so many good institutions. They are
Yes,
not getting
yes.
admissions. There are bad institutions. They are getting a good admission.
Yes, sir.
What is the sometime that is why my question lies is that where these two hearts called marketing and sales can get along and can give a some kind of solution to the management at the organization and the business, that where the money comes.
Yes, for this, with all your permission, I will answer it spiritually more than technically.
Please sir, please sir, please sir.
Uh,
No, I allow you because it's a spiritual month, don't worry.
because that is the truth. That is the truth. Thing is, sir, each and every object in this world, it has a vibration.
Yeah.
Many people, we are talking about law of attraction, and there is more into that. It is called as law of vibration. So we would have studied about Rhonda Byrne. We would have seen about the film Secret, or we would have studied the book Secret. Many things there it would have been there about attraction, but there will be few things about vibration. Our body vibrates for each and every thought we used to have. On an average, the statistic says that we are having every day 66,000 thoughts. It is coming to a human mind. Again, I want to enlighten here. There is a difference between mind and the brain. Both are different. So our brain thinks, so our mind goes 66,000 times from here and there, where our body gets distracted and our vibration changes. The entire universe, it doesn't know any language. It does not know. The universe do not know Tamil or English or Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, nothing. It knows only vibration. The human body interacts with the universe with vibration. A plant interacts with the universe with vibration. The animal talks with the universe only with vibration. So when we have a proper vibration for more number of times in a day, yes, we can achieve what we want. The universe is ready to give anything in this world, but it should be ethical. We can ask that I want 10 crore rupees. It is ethical. But we should not ask that I want 1 rupee from that person. That is unethical. So we should be aware. Osho used to tell us, be aware. Any spiritual guru, he used to tell us, be aware. So we will be talking now, but our mind will be jumping here and there. So be aware of your mind, where it goes. So make it in a proper still position. So your mind should be there. Yes, I'm doing a beautiful business this year. I'm getting, for example, 25 crores of rupees this year ethically. How much time you are in this one? When you see a paper, the situation is pandemic. Yes, you are not going to do business anywhere this year. Yes, our mind goes somewhere else. Don't believe that. Believe your universe. Believe God. Believe in yourself. Have a proper vibration. I can give one beautiful example. My wife license, it got lost. And my wife was telling me that we have to get a new license. I told her, no, that license will come to me. So I was in proper vibration that I am getting that license. One fine morning, I got a courier. Yeah, the original license came to me with the address and a phone number. Sir, the license is with you. Unknowingly, I have taken this license. I called that person. I asked him to come for a tea, coffee, and a sweet caram coffee. I hosted him and I told him thanks. I did not ask him how he got that license. Again, my friend lost his diamond ring in Salem New Bus Stand. He came to me and told that I have lost my diamond ring. I told him to be in a proper vibration. So nobody will believe that the next 10 minutes in tank cover of his bullet, there was the diamond ring. This is the power of vibration. When you are in proper vibration, good people will come to you. Good mind will come to you. Good ideas will come to you. That ideas will go to your customer. That customer, again, he'll be a repeated customer. Your product will be reaching everywhere. I think I can quote one thing from Dhirubhai Ambani's life. Dhirubhai Ambani used to visualize that one day the entire textile market should be under my control. That dream, many people will be telling about dream. Dream alone cannot give anything. The dream with a feeling and with a vibration, it can do wonders. The only thing what you have to do is how much time you are in the proper thought with that proper vibration, with that ethical vibration. So I can challenge 100%. This natural law will not do and will never fail because natural law cannot fail. When you are in proper vibration, all the technology what you want, it will come to your doorsteps. When you are in proper vibration, all the people whom you want, they will come to your company. When you are in proper vibration, all the proper mind whom you want, they will come to your company. So everybody will be coming to your company. And when you are in proper thought and proper vibration, and when you are in that vibration as many times as possible in a day, yes, everything will happen to you. Even if you select a proper place in your house, sit there, and even if you know meditation, you do meditation, the meditation for your business. Yes, there are many things for meditation for your business, meditation for your health, meditation for your wealth. You can do for anything. So if it is for meditation for wealth, how much money you want, at what time you want to have that, you be in that proper thought. That thought will create a vibration. You have that feeling. If you want 25 crores of rupees within 31st March of this 20, but there should be an ethical time gap. If you're in a vibration that I want 2 crore rupees tomorrow, see, there should be some time to undergo that process. Even miracles can happen in our life. The only thing is you have to believe yourself. You have to believe your body. You have to believe your mental body. You have to prepare your mental body. There can be a good chef. If the raw material is not good, yes, the food will not be good. If you have everything, you know everything, but if a human body and your mental body is not proper, you cannot attract anything and you cannot vibrate properly. The one and only thing what I want to tell in this forum is vibrate yourself properly to what you want as much time as possible. Yes, wonders will happen in your life. Sir, is there anything you want regarding this? Sir Sudarshan, sir?
So it's really a wonderful thing, sir. I mean, I think we're all in a great vibration to have you down here because, I mean, it's a vibration of this company and it's a vibration of this thoughts that what this thing happened. And I'm really happy that, I mean, it came out from you. And to add on to the point, I think we are from the same city. So I'm really happy to get connected down here, sir. And also, we can go ahead and know a lot of things, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir Vinod, sir?
Sir, many thanks. You made my day. When are you coming to Delhi? Sudarshan, thank you very much. Yeah, this is something, you know. We know all you know, many things, but we don't adopt this kind of, you know. We generally don't believe. But when such kind of things happen, na, that really enrich you and really thrilled you, and you know, that goosebumps come up. Many thanks, sir. This is really wonderful. That's what my invitation to you. Come to Delhi, sir.
Yeah, so for the
Thank you.
few minutes was like kind of a calmness all around us, and it was like we were vibrating to the extreme, and I can visualize where I have to be. And also, I have to thank Anand sir and Valli for this opportunity.
Yes,
you.
sir.
We can
Yes, sir. To add in this session, we were talking about, I think the proper thing we have got connected that about the vibration. As far as possible, kindly don't argue with anybody. Accept as they are. It may be your colleague, it may be your wife, it may be your son or daughter. Kindly don't waste time in arguing. After argument, one will lose and one will win. But end of the day, both of them will not be happy. When you accept them as they are, see, you can expect a sweetness from a sugar, and the same sweetness you cannot expect from chili. So chili is something different and sugar is something different. You have to use where you want chili, you have to use chili, and where you want to use sugar, you have to use sugar. So as far as possible, understand the people around you and where you can use them properly. When you use them properly, yes, we can do wonders. That is where we have to understand. We have to knowledge about the people who are around us, who are in our company, and what type of job we have to give to them, and what expectation we can have on them. This is understanding about the people. And when you enter into your family, see, we have to balance both business and family. And many people think that business is something different and family is something different. When you are calm and cool in your family, you can do wonders in your business. When you are able to make your wife and children happy, yes, you can do a beautiful business. And at the end of the day, many people in this world, they are working for their children and wife to make them equipped in knowledge and make them sustain in their life. This is where we are doing. So as far as possible, spend at least 1 hour to 2 hours with your family members. Enjoy with them. See a film, new film, have an entertainment. Don't be completely occupied with your business or with your work. So schedule, have a proper schedule. Because the brain or mind, it cannot have the same thing always. It gets bored out. So have proper entertainment. See films with your children, what they like. If they like Amir Khan, see the Amir Khan film. If they want Vijay's film, then you can see Vijay's film. I can tell one thing. One boy came to me for counseling. His father is a police officer, and he told me, "Sir, my son is not studying well. I don't know what has happened." And that student was studying 10th standard. I asked him, "What is the problem with you?" Sir, that student told me, "Sir, I am not having any problem, sir. That till last examination, I was getting first rank. This time I got third rank. This is the problem I faced. My dad is taking to me to all the counselors that what has happened to me. I'm not having anything, but I have one small thing that my dad has to do for me." I asked him, "What do you want to do?" "Sir, I want to play cricket with my dad." And I called his father and told him, "Sir, you are a police officer. Have you completely filled all the cases? Have you completed all the cases and have you got all the culprits?" And he told, "Sir, it is not possible. We cannot do that." And I told him, "Same thing. Your son cannot get first rank in all the time. So understand him." And again, he was having a beautiful thing in his mind that he want to play cricket with you. Just get a bat and ball, go with him for one day and see the happiness in his And then really it gets enlightened. As a dad, you will get enlightened and you can lead a happy life. After 15 days, the same people, the son and father came to me and both are very happy. And that boy is now doing very well. Now he has completed his plus two and he has got a very good score. The thing is, understand your son, and because he may be 6 years old or 7 years old or 10 years old or 15 years old, understand them, because a lot of distractions nowadays, social distraction, understand them. And today nowadays, electronic gadget management, both for ourselves and for them, it is very important. See, many people, for every 1 hour, they used to see WhatsApp, whether it is there, whether it is useful for them or not. They used to see WhatsApp. They have got addicted. See, understand, have a knowledge, whether whatever you are doing, it is going to help your family or yourself or for your business. If it is going to help you, then you can do at least whatever you are doing, whether it is going to help you or mankind. See all these things. If it is going to help any one of you, then kindly you do that. Kindly don't waste our time in all these social gadgets or electronic gadgets, and understand our family. Repeatedly, I am telling in the end of the session to understand our family, because our each and every son or daughter in our family, they are unique. They'll be having many things in their mind. Understand them and see to that how can we can help them. See that, talk with your wife what they want. Yes, you satisfy them, because they are completely dependent on you. Satisfy them, spend for them. You completely don't give 24 hours for your company or 24 hours for your business. At least spend 4 hours for your family. Take them for a holiday trip. Make your mind free. You can see to that you can put 200% effort in your business when you have a small gap. See, you have 5 days beautiful work, and at least you have Saturday and Sunday for your family members and for yourself. Yes, the next 5 days it will be wonderful. The only thing is, have a proper team, have a proper vibration, make your family happy, make your people around you happy, make yourself happy, and make this entire world happy. Thank you so much for the opportunity given. And if anything you want to ask me, if possible, I can answer your questions. Thank you, Sudarshan sir, and thank you entire team of ULEX.
Okay, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. And it was really a wonderful session, sir. We discussed about a lot of things, and actually you were enlightening us about a lot of things. And I mean, we in our company were discussing, like this week we were discussing. So ULEX is all about creating opportunities to people. So we want more people to come in. We want more people to get into this environment ecosystem. So we are not about sales, just sales or marketing. Because whenever our CEO, when he talks, he says we wanted to create jobs for these people. We wanted to take this thing to the people who need it. That is what the idea is. And recently we came up with an idea of starting our own innovation and incubation cell. So where we thought like we can go for the college students and even the freshers. If they want any kind of managemental training, we can provide them, and we can also try to help them, support them in their growth kind of thing. And our CEO was telling us like we have to invite more mentors for this team. So we need to have a support team, a guidance team, a mentor team who are like-minded people who wanted to contribute something to society, something to the education of these people, kind of thing. So I didn't discuss with any of my team members, but I think they'll be accepting this. On behalf of the whole team, I wanted to send you an invite to be our mentor, sir, in our incubation cell.
Sure, sir. And sir, any question from participant side? I think Siddharth Pokadia has asked one question, I think.
Yeah, sir.
So, can you read the question so that everybody can...
Sure, sir. I'll read that. How do we balance distraction of social media in this modern age, as it can hamper our focus towards business? So this is the question by Siddharth Pokadia.
Siddharth Pokadia, I want to say that he is one among top 50 squash player in India, sir.
Oh, wonderful, sir.
And to answer for Siddharth's question, Siddharth, you have a proper time schedule, and you have a schedule that how much time you can spend for your social media. You spare 1 hour. It may be in the morning, or it may don't have in top. Each and every person in this world will be having efficient hours. Don't spend that efficient hours in social media. You can take some other time. It is half efficient. You can use your social media, and that way you can have just 1 hour in social media. Then you can wind it up. That is, it may be night time, 8 to 9 or 9 to 10. It will be for social media. On all other times, kindly don't spend your time in social media. Have a proper time management. Don't get distracted. Focus towards your goal. When you focus towards your goal, yes, you want entertainment, but with a proper schedule. See, you have to use this social media like salt in our food. We cannot be eat food without salt, but you cannot have more salt for food. So salt is important with proper proportion. So you have a proper schedule, Siddharth, that will be helping for you, Siddharth.
Thank you, uncle. Sure, uncle.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. So Siddharth, any other questions, sir?
So I think this will be a thank you question, I think, sir, because I mean we are already vibrating and we really got a lot of inputs from you. And I think if any other participants have any other questions, they can go ahead. Okay, sir. But anyway, sir, it's a really wonderful session. So we really understood where we should put our focus on and what are the priorities that we should have in life and what happiness in life is all about. And I really want to thank you for being here today. And I really want to thank Anand sir and Wali for bringing you down here, and for Vinod sir for his wonderful interaction. And thanks for your words, sir. That is all I have to say right now.
Yes. Hello. Sir, this
yes,
is Valli here. Yes, sir. So
Yes,
really,
ma'am.
thanks a lot, sir. Thank you so much. We have got so many information and many advices. So as Sudesh said rightly, we were able to imagine and visualize ourselves like where we should be. And really as you will be always keep saying that a happy day, happy day. So finally it was an happy day for all of us today.
So every day should be a happy day for us. Every moment should be a happy moment for us.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Yes, sir.
So, madam, the life is very, very short. See, our birth is confirmed. It is over. But the thing that in 2120, all whoever are there in this world will not be here in this world in 2120, but this world will be here. So the life is very, very short. Make it very, very happy one. Make it a wonderful one. Make it an enthusiastic one. Don't get disturbed by others' words, others' voice, and you be happy yourself. You don't make others to influence your happiness. When you get a level of thing that others cannot disturb you, then you can lead a very happy life, which is a wonderful one. Each and every moment will be a wonderful one.
That is really true, sir. That's really true. Because
Many
we all-
thanks, sir. Many thanks, sir. Many thanks. And I'll definitely, your advice is very, 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 what to say. But ticket is nothing but knowledge. Absolutely right, sir. No, because it's going to be 7:30. Another knowledge is coming to us now. So let's see, sir. Love to meet you. Please, this enlighten things and this vibration, really wonderful, sir. I'm really, really, really elated to hear your verdict. This is a verdict for me. Believe me, it's a wonderful thing. Sometimes because it happens, human to human, and nature and something like that. Sometimes business, sometimes family, sometimes ROI and something year over year kind of things, and so many things are happening. But sometimes we fail to understand that something called life.
Yes, sir.
And life does have a vibration, which you very nicely narrated and very nicely you have mentioned here. So many thanks.
No.
And
with your permission, can I have one sentence, sir? Sudarshan sir, Vinod sir.
Please, sir. Please,
Alright,
sir.
please go ahead, sir.
So, sir, always we have to be an VIP. VIP is nothing but vibrationally intelligent person.
Wow.
Okay.
When we understand this, yes, life is very, very smart, and we can architect our life. We are architect for our own life. We
I can interrupt you in between, sir. The vibration word which you uses just now. This vibration
Yes, sir.
is stop me to not move from anywhere else, just to listen you. So what is the vibration? An exact full form of vibration I could sense now. That whenever you're talking, just sitting and
Yes.
listening you. So this is something called human vibration. And how this positive vibration can impact anybody, whether it is a business or your colleagues or your friend or your wife and everywhere. So many
Yes, sir.
thanks. Many thanks to you, sir, Wali and Anand, sir, introducing sir to us. And thanks, Sudarshan. This is really wonderful that I have so many conferences I've attended, but this is wonderful. I
Thank you,
really
sir.
enjoyed.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vinod, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thanks a lot, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you,
so
one and all. Thank you so much for the entire ULEX team. Thank you all, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
And thanks for all the participants who are spending their valuable time with us. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.